Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little pumpkin out of Jenga blocks. So I was in Michael's and I always go into the clearance area and I found a box of Jenga, the game, a box of blocks on clearance. They were like 70% off. And I really thought these blocks would make some cute crafts. So today I'm going to show you one of those crafts. And it's just a cute little simple pumpkin for the fall. And all you need to get started on this project is 4 Jenga blocks, some brown paint, some orange paint, paintbrush, some twine, 2 pipe cleaners, one in green and one in brown. A ruler will come in handy, and a vise and a handsaw. So the first thing you want to do, my Jenga blocks are 3 inches. So what I decided to do was to make my stem 1 inch. So I'm going to get 3 stems out of 1 Jenga block. And then my blocks, I'm going to glue 3 blocks together. So the first step is to cut your blocks, which I've done already, into 3s. And I'm going to use the smooth side to glue down and the rough side on the top. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to hot glue the 3 bricks together and just make sure that they're even, so that they stand even and they're even this way. Now, the Jenga blocks I'm using right now are white, but if you are using, you'll notice some of mine are red and some are blue. The first time I tried this, it was hard to paint over, so what I did was just took a little sandpaper and sanded off the finish. You'll see this is what the finish used to look like. This is what it looks like now. You can't, I tried painting over it and it didn't work. So just take a little sandpaper and sand off the block, the color. Now for the pumpkins, you wouldn't need to for your ends. For your ends you would, but for your center you wouldn't need to sand it. You could just glue the 2 colors together and you won't even see that. Okay, so your first step you're going to do is glue your 3 blocks together. So now that I have them glued together, I'm just going to paint all the sides and the top in orange paint. And I'm only going to give these 1 coat because I want the grain to show through a little bit. I don't want it like solid orange, but if you prefer to have it more of a solid color, then give it 2 or 3 coats. But I kind of like having it look kind of like wood shining through. The next thing I'm going to paint is the stem. I'm going to paint it brown. Now I've chosen to keep the rough side up, but if you want, you can put the smooth side up if you think that that will look better. It is covered by twine, so I think I'll try this one smooth side up just so you can see the difference between the 2. But the twine is going to cover where the stem comes together, so if it's a little uneven, it's not going to show. Your next step will be to glue the stem to the top of the center brick. I'm going to take some twine, I'm going to wrap it like 3 times around the stem of the pumpkin, and I'm just going to knot it in the back and cut that off. Then I took another piece of twine and I made a little bow out of it. I just think it makes a neater bow when you do it separate from the wrapping of the twine. And then I'm just going to take a little tiny dot of hot glue just right in the center, and then glue the bow right on top. Now to do your leaf, you just take a piece of pipe cleaner, just pinch it at the one end, and then take your fingers and roll it. And then you're just going to twist the other end around a couple times just to secure it. And then you're just going to cut that off with a pair of wire cutters. Your little curlies, you're just going to take a pencil, take a full size pipe cleaner and just wrap it around your pencil. And then once you have it all done, And you're just going to take, I like to have one side a little bit smaller than the other, but just take it like that. And that's where you're going to glue it to your stem. So your leaf is going to get hot glued right here. So you're just going to put a little dab of hot glue right there, right at the one side of the bow. And push that down. And then your curly, you're just going to put a dab of hot glue here, and you're going to glue the pipe cleaner right to that edge. So in just a couple minutes, you have a really cute craft. This takes no time at all to make, and it's a really nice addition to your fall decorations. You can put it on a shelf. You can put a couple together because they're kind of small. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to receive future notification of posts, hit the bell. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.